Next over is the symbologies tab. Under here, we've seen some changes from the later versions based off of feedback, once again, from the field. We used to have some kind of crazy opt-in strategy where these barcodes were enabled by default, and it was hard to understand what was working and what wasn't. You can see we also added some more barcodes since the last drops or last releases. Basically, anything that is checked is basically looking to be read. I could click a button to highlight them all and say, these are all the different codes I'm looking for. Or I could just select certain ones. So if I only want to read that PDF 417, I simply click the PDF 417, and it only reads the PDF 417 over here on the right-hand side. If I want to read those code 128, again, single one, because I'm in single mode, I simply click on that. And you can see here there's a whole bunch of different settings that come back for that. And if you're doing any kind of GS1 formatting and you want to make sure you could read those, you would highlight that and select that. You could also specify the code length now, right? So right now, by default, we're looking for a code 128 that's between 4 and 55 characters in length. So when you see a bit of a demonstration, I'll do in a little bit, this barcode just says made Mexico is MX. It would not be read because it's underneath the minimum equivalent of what we're trying to look for here. This is where you could come in here and make those power user adjustments or power settings that will allow you to solve your applications. Go ahead and turn them all back on. You can see when I turn them all on, the biggest thing you lose by turning them all on is basically the timing, right? So I come in here, the more codes I add, the more things it's searching for, the more things it's looking for. So you'll see some of the timings increase and start going up.